Hello viewers, this is my first video, and in this video I'm doing a cover song on Save Me of Magdalene. So please do watch and enjoy the video.
Stay